In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a form on Monday.com. So as you can see here on my screen, I am right here on this board, marketing. So whichever board you want, you can add any or create any form. So on my end, I am right here on marketing board, and let's just go here at the top. You can see the main table, and right next to it, you can see the plus icon. Let's just click this one and let's find the form option. And if you cannot find the form option on your end, just go here to explore more views at the bottom. Once you hit that, go to the search bar and type form. And it should be like this. It should populate this result. And just click open in board. And here it goes. Here is the form. You can actually name it here at the top. Example, this form is a contact form, just for an example. Well, it actually depends on you. How do you want to name it? Contact form. And if you want to edit the looks of your form, just go here at the edit form. And then you can build it. You can give it a name on each section, and you can also customize it however you want. If you want to preview your form, you could just go here, click this preview button. And if you wanted to share your form, just go here to publish, and then you can use this link. Just copy this and send to anyone. And that's about it. That's how you create a form on Monday.com. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.